The Amazon Basics Non-Stick 3-Piece Kitchen Cookware Set is a great starter kit. It includes 3 useful pans. You get an 8-inch pan, a 10-inch pan, and a 12-inch pan. These are the workhorses of any kitchen. They can handle many cooking tasks. The black color looks simple and clean. This Amazon Basics Non-Stick 3-Piece Kitchen Set is a solid choice for new cooks. Cooking with this Amazon Basics Non-Stick 3-Piece Kitchen Set is pretty straightforward. The non-stick surfaces are like a dream. Food slides right off, and cleaning is a breeze. Making omelets in the morning is now less of a sticky situation. Even delicate fish cooks without clinging to the pan. The different sizes handle everything from a quick dash of eggs to a larger stir-fry. While it might not be fancy clothing for your kitchen, it's definitely practical. For the price, this Amazon Basics Non-Stick 3-Piece Kitchen Set offers good value. It covers the essential aspects of everyday cooking. It's not a high-end model, but it gets the job done reliably. If you're looking for a basic set without breaking the bank, this is it. It simplifies life in the kitchen. Plus, as an affiliate link might show you, it's easily accessible. It won't perform like a specialized wok, but for general use, it's a dependable choice. Pros: non-stick coating, easy food release, simple to clean, includes 3 sizes, good for basic cooking, affordable price point, lightweight design, comfortable handles, even heat distribution, suitable for most stovetops. Cons: may not last very long, non-stick can degrade, not for high heat, hand wash only, can scratch easily, lighter weight, less sturdy, handle may get hot, no lids included, smaller pan sizes, basic quality features. Non-stick coating, 3-piece set 8-inch pan included, 10-inch pan included, 12-inch pan included, black color, easy to clean, durable material, great for everyday, good value set. This Amazon Basics cookware set has 3 black non-stick pans, an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch pan. These pans are made from strong stuff and are easy to clean. They are good for cooking food every day and come at a reasonable price. This Amazon Basics cookware set has 3 non-stick pans in different sizes for basic cooking. They are easy to clean and food comes off without sticking. The pans are light and have comfy handles. Plus they heat food evenly. However, they might not last a very long time. The non-stick can get worse. And they are not good for cooking at high heat. You have to wash them by hand. And they can scratch easily because they are lighter and not as strong. The handles might get hot. And the set doesn't include any lids. These pans are okay if you need something cheap for simple cooking.